Security! I'm here. Security, security. He saved me. Hey everyone, welcome to my video, our video. Hey cuties. Mwah! Oh, wait. He did it for me. Hello everyone, welcome to this long-awaited video. I really wanted to film this video and you guys approved. You wanted to see it as well. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, you have so many other animals. What about them? They're left out. If you guys want to see me do it with each one of my animals, I will. Every animal in this house gets love and the same love, but I'm not gonna bring all of the animals to the store. I mean, I'm already an animal in the store. We're gonna stick with the best one first. We have Shugsy here. I know this trend's a little old, but I still wanted to do it. Buying everything my hairless cat touches in the pet store. Hopefully like a dog doesn't run up and rip his head off. The only harness I could find for him, so just don't bully my cat, okay? Don't bully him, he's a cat. Like bully me. So he's gonna be a skeleton, he's skinny. Can't relate. Okay, ready? Hey, come on, skinny skeleton. What the heck? I don't know how to do this. Oh, by the way, I didn't even introduce you guys. You guys are like, we already know. You talk about him every minute. I think it goes this way. I think it's this way. Is it this way? Girl, how do rib cages work? Yes. Oh yeah, and then your arm goes in here. Yes, this is why I don't have a child. Can't even dress a cat. How am I gonna dress a toddler? We got this, Shugsy. You're going on a shopping spree. You should be happy. His regular leash, that's like a cat leash, is outside in the snow. So we're just gonna use Cooper's leash. So, oh look at this, fits him still very well. This is hanging here because we had to tighten it because he has a skinny neck. Oh, by the way, he is a Sphinx cat. If we haven't noticed, he's naked. I'm gonna bring a blanket in the car. Let's go choose whatever he touches, whatever he gravitates to, wherever he looks, whatever he paws, whatever. What if he just like sits there and goes, the bill, $0. Let's go for Shugsy's little shopping spree. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, let's go. Shugsy, you're gonna go on a shopping spree? Woo, woo, woo. So this is the leash that we're using. He's very content right now. He's walking weird, so I don't know how he's gonna do in the store. Come on, Shugsy, let's go for a walk.
Hey, Shugsy, you ready to go?
Come on, shopping spree. Say goodbye to the other peasant animals that don't get a shopping spree. Let's walk.
Shugsy!
Come on!
Shugsy!
Stop embarrassing me or I'll choose a different... There we go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, we're all wrapped up and we're ready to go. Woo! Here we are. I got him closed. I got him closed, man. I'm hugging him very tightly. And we're only going like 5 minutes away from the house, so he's perfectly fine. He likes car rides. A whole new world out here, Shugsy. He's exploring the world. Yeah, enter security. He's the security guard. He looks very happy and curious. We're gonna take away the blankie. Look at him. Whatever he chooses.
Shopping, buddy? Come here.
Okay, maybe you can hold him.
All right, I'll hold him. He's comfy. He's in his comfort though. He's purring.
He's happy. Let's go. Alrighty, here we go. Here's Jiggy. Hey, my cat is hairless right now too. If you know, you know. I'll open the door for Shugsy. I'll be out in the cold. You can go in there, Shugsy. He sees rabbits. He sees rabbits. Look, that's a rabbit. Imagine he paws at it and we have to buy it.
Oh, he probably loves those.
He's just eyeing them. He's like, I want.
He's licking his lips.
Stop, really? He's like, I want one of those, Mom.
Oh, look at the guinea pigs.
These birds, Shugsy. This bird's looking at you.
How'd Sophie get here?
Oh my god, it literally looks exactly like Sophie. Oh.
Shugsy, you don't like it?
Shugsy hissed. Okay, let's go to the cat aisle.
I don't think he likes the kitty.
Is this a cat aisle?
No, that's a bird aisle.
Oh.
I think cat aisles are one of the used to.
Look, Shugsy, I comfort you. Not him going for it, no. Oh, the cat's out here.
He'd probably walk, right? Oh, come on, Jiggy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Look at all these other things. Look at all this stuff. Catnip. There's stuff on the shelf. No? He doesn't want anything.
I don't know either, buddy.
What is it? Dental spray. I am so upset that Austin and I both missed him literally touching this item here. I don't know what it is, but we didn't see it in the store. Ah! She literally went right for it. What's dental spray? Oh, for fresh breath. Dental spray for fresh breath. I mean, use it on dogs and cats. Okay, it is $9.38. What is he? What's that?
Oh. He likes it. Would he fit in it? He likes the shelf. We're gonna have to get the whole shelf.
I think it's, well, he really went for this. We should get this. I know it's for a hamster, but he really, $28. Oh no, or I think it's this. Okay, well, he touched this and this, so I guess we have to just buy them both. Okay, you're getting it. You'll get it. Are you really in there? Look at this. What is it? Hey, I think it's $7.90. I think he feels hidden. Okay, we got this. Dentals. This is this. We'll do a whole haul after. But okay, we'll buy it. We'll buy it, Chigsy.
Chizzy.
Okay.
What?
What are you looking at now? What do you see? I think he hears the birds. Like, he's so intrigued by it. He just wants to be in shelves. We have to buy the... Oh, okay. He basically touched this. So this is a... Here, kitty. Okay, he basically touched... It's a flat floor scratcher with catnip, it looks like. Okay.
He doesn't know it, but he'll love it.
What do you see? I saw you look at something. What? Which one? Do you see? I don't know. I don't know which one he wants. Which one do you want? Not that one? No. What about this one? No. Okay, what about what about this one? Oh, okay. He wants hugs first. He's purring. He's happy. This? That? No. What does he want then? Come on, Shigsy. It's so difficult. You tell me when to stop. That one?
Oh.
Thanks. Yeah. Anything else? Let's go through. Whoa, that one? Okay. Oh, he...
Oh.
He's like, this one, okay. Okay, Shigsy. What even is it? What do you see here? Anything here? Ew, look at that. Anything? Anything? I don't know how to do this.
He's just looking the other way.
He's just looking everywhere. You don't like those kinds of things. Oh, one of those. He literally looked at both. Okay, well, he actually really likes these. Which one do you like better, this? Or this, a little fishy? Fishy? Okay. Oh, did he just choose that?
I think so.
Okay. All right. Wow, look at you. Oh my god, he's going for a cat scratcher. Lord have mercy. No. You like that?
He seems pretty content on it, not gonna lie.
Oh my god, do you think we should get it?
No, I mean, that's the rules of the game, isn't
God!
it?
Oh my god. Which one is he trying to get to? I think this is where he was trying to go. Look at it's $34. So we get this and this? I think this was just a stepping stool to get to this, to be honest. Okay, so we get this. God.
Oh wow.
And this. Oh my god, we're just buying all these new catchers for you. Oh my god! Does that mean he wants one of these balls? Okay.
Where are you going, Cheesy?
We need to buy these for Zeph. He's out of them. Oh my god, he's still standing on this thing. He really, really likes this. That was the first thing he touched for these like scratch posts. These are for Zeph, so just don't mind these. They're in there. Like this. Look at this. This is $1. You want this?
I think he's just overwhelmed. I think he just hears the birds. Oh,
he really likes this.
Okay.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Jesus.
Okay, this is his thing. This is his favorite thing. I'm excited for him.
Yeah, he's happy with his perch.
His purchase.
And
everyone look at me. Okay, I think we've spent enough.
Yeah.
Hold on, over here. Oh.
He touched it. He touched it.
What is it? $26.
Yeah.
He really likes.
Oh.
Okay, I have it in my hand. It's a pop-up play tunnel. Okay, yeah, you're getting it. Okay, he's like licking it.
I think he's happy.
He's very happy.
Perfect. Put that in the cart.
No, you just want to hug? Anything over here? Combo. Look at how cute this is. Look at Valerie. Oh my god. Ballerina? No? Okay. Oh, what does he see? Wow, you've got a lot. Anything over here? Ooh, these you would like, so you should look at them. You should touch them. Okay, just kidding. I'm just gonna stand there until he touches it. Just kidding. Okay, should we go down a different aisle? Any more steel things? interesting. Oh, look at this fountain. Would you like anything here? What is it? A cat drink.
Oh, fountain.
Oh,
Cute.
is it? It's one left. Maybe in the bedroom?
Oh, yes. That'd be great.
Okay.
I don't have to fill Shugsy up a cup of water every time he needs to drink.
Oh, those birds are, I don't really like birds, but they're pretty looking, aren't they? Shugsy's like, I would eat them. Actually, he probably wouldn't. Oh, no, don't go too
Finches?
close.
I
I don't want him
think
to
they're finches.
scare them. Okay, he's over the birds. What's the next aisle? Cat food aisle, perhaps? Rolling balls in a tube. Oh, it's for a bird. I was like, what? Try some new food. Oh, immediately once. What did you see? Oh, what is it? Tender tuna dinner. All right, that's your supper for tonight. It's actually a good brand. The Hills brand is a very good brand, and it is vet recommended. So very good choice, Shugsy. Anything else? Anything else? He's getting tired. I feel like he's shaking. He's over it.
Maybe we'll go take him for a pup cup or a cat cup.
Okay, so he's got lots. We'll grab him this. Anything else? You like this pterodactyl? What's over here? Oh, look over here. Oh. What was it? Chicken dinner. Oh, he's really hugging me. I think he's like, he's over it, and I don't want to stress him out. Yeah, he wants to come to you.
I know.
Here,
Okay.
you hold him. Okay, there's 2 things he chose, and yes, we'll share it with the other cats. And everything else he bought. Let's go to checkout. He's had enough. We've had enough. My bank account has had enough. Let's go ring this up, see the total, and I'll give you guys a whole haul and see if he likes them. Okay, let's go. We got this. I got a basket full of stuff. Getting so much. Oh my god.
He's definitely getting spoiled today.
Go to 324.7.
He's so tired right now. He's exhausted after that. Wrapped back up in his blankie, nice and content. Aww. Off goes the harness. You're free. You're back to being security.
Water, and then a grande mocha, and then a pup cup.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You too. There he goes. He loves it.
yeah.
Look at him. Oh yeah. He's getting it in. Look at his legs just going. It's all over his face. Oh no, look at he licked his chest. It's all over his chest. What a horrible security guard. I could literally break out of here. Oh yes, I got them to share, by the way. Every single animal got to have some of the pup cup.
Hey, boys, here's the stuff you got.
Everyone share.
Here, you wanted this, right?
Oh, Sophie's checking it out. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. We have so many cat trees now. Sophie really likes this one. Oh, look at it. Good choice, Shugsy. He just loves that. It's like a little perch. And now Zeph's checking it out. It's for all of you guys. Okay, here's the gerbil. That's never gonna stay there. We'll find something to do with this, but you don't like it anymore, I take it. Okay, cool. Okay, back home now. I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. I'm not gonna give them all to the cats right now, but this is a Here Kitty cat scratcher, flat floor scratcher. Helps satisfy your cat's natural scratching instinct. Free catnip pouch inside. Then we have a little tube. If you guys follow my vlog channel, link down below. If you guys have seen it before, it's literally this color. I wonder if we could like attach them or something. Austin will probably find a way to attach them. These are one of my favorite, or one of the cat's favorite things to play with are these tubes. So that's really good. As I pass away. Okay, so already gave Zeph these because he was loving the new cat scratchers or the cat posts. He was loving them so much, he was going crazy, so we decided to get him. These are $14, by the way. I feel like that's expensive, but he loves them, and he loves the specific like shaker mice ones. Okay, this I think I'm most excited for. This is so pretty. I want to put this on my bedside table. It's a flower fountain mini cat drinking water fountain, and then only keep it on like during the night or something like that. So this is basically what it looks like. Okay, cat-tit. It looks like this, and then there'll be like a little flower. Apparently cats, like natural instinct is to drink from a running water source. So I was kind of glad that he chose this. It was kind of hard to like see what he was actually choosing or looking at, or I don't know. So hopefully I completed the video successfully for you guys. So this, I kind of like forced him. Well, he literally pushed them both, and I was like, I'm not buying both of them. So this one, he used to love things like this. He hasn't had one for a while, so that's exciting. It has a little fish on it. It's like you're fishing. thing. This, I'm like, this is like literally for like a gerbil, but he loved it. He loves like little hiding things that also could be used as a hat, I feel. Look, I'm a soldier. What even is this called? Oh, enriched life. Hiding, chewing, playing. Provides areas for your pet to feel safe or relaxed. Oh, supports natural hiding instinct. Okay, so maybe we could like put this somewhere or like attach it again on one of the cat things. I don't know, he literally was a natural instinct for him. He chose these treats. I never get this flavor. This is the savory salmon. They like temptations. I have never ever, oh my God, this hiding helmet going in the way. These are freeze-dried. What even is it? Freeze-dried what? Am I stupid? Does it not say? Grain-free, nourish the body, chicken liver, okay, chicken liver, and duck. That's what it is. Literally, the ingredients are chicken liver, and duck. That's it. Good job, Shugsy. Shugsy's like, I'm healthy, so that's a good thing. Then this fresh breath thing, or this dental spray. So this is what it looks like up close. I'm glad there's dogs and cats on here, even though Shugsy bought it. He never really has bad breath unless he just eats. It's just like his food. Gum care, fresh breath, and clean teeth. So I think I'm gonna be using this mainly on the dogs because they have stank breath. So thanks, Shugsy, for getting them that. This, I wasn't sure if he got or not. He probably won't play with this. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But if he doesn't, Zeph will. This, he likes these. Got that. These two foods. This first one here is tender tuna dinner, and it's for adult cats 7 and older. So that's good. Oh, and I'm gonna give them to all the cats, by the way. This one's chicken dinner with layer of beef and pumpkin. This one's a Cat It. Again, the same brand as the water fountain. Cat It. I don't know. That's a stupid name. Oh, this is a good brand. This is Hills. So let's go see if the cats like these treats and some of the toys. I'm not going to show everything, but you guys will see a lot of the stuff on the vlog channel, so stay tuned. Wow! Oh my God.
Look at the size of this thing.
Wow, do you think we could attach it to this?
Probably, yeah.
They're gonna love that.
There you go. Look
Wow.
at that. Transportation.
Oh, it has like a little look-through thing. Okay, let's get the catnip on there. Oh yeah. Sophie's interested right away. Yeah, she loves it. Yay! Sophie's like, get away, this is my drugs. Oh, he's like tilting his head. And I think we'll just, oh my goodness, they're going crazy now. They're high. Yeah, Shugsy. And I put this in here. I just don't know what to do with this. Here he is. This is what they look like. So far, they really like everything. Here you go. Success. Here you go. Yeah. Now we'll give him a little scoop of this each.
No.
Oh no. Ew.
He'll eat it.
Oh, he really likes that stuff. Oh yeah. Everything was a success. Yay, he loves it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this. All the toys and treats and food and everything is a success. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Get it, Shugsy. Oh, he's tired. He's tired.